At Joina City, we are dedicated to growth and continuous improvement. To demonstrate our commitment, we hosted a workshop for our valued tenants, centered around the theme, Building a Stronger Mall Community. Here's a summary of what happened. We began with welcome remarks from Mr. Mavera, Managing Director of New World Property Managers, the company responsible for managing Joina City Mall. Mr. Mavera emphasized the company's commitment to providing customer-centric facilities and an unparalleled shopping experience. Next, Mr. Lionel Marumahoko presented the results of the tenant survey and shopper insight study conducted in 2024. The survey gave us valuable insights into shopper expectations, experiences, and areas for improvement. Following that, Theodoros Pantis, an expert mall manager from Albania, shared his vast experience in managing large-scale malls like Two Rivers Mall in Kenya. His presentation focused on best practices for collaboration between tenants and property managers to deliver exceptional service and meet shopper needs. One of the key highlights for the day was the focus group discussions, led by Meme Osuocha, a professional marketing researcher from Lagos, Nigeria. Tenants gathered in small groups to discuss their challenges, brainstorm solutions, and share insights that will help us create a better mall experience.
So my role here was to coordinate the focus group discussions with the tenants. And we spent 1 hour 30 minutes just digging into the different challenges that they experience as tenants and what potential challenges the shoppers experience. And after digging and pulling out all those insights, we're also able to get them to share their ideas on solving those problems and those challenges that were pulled out. And why this was important is because Joina City is really looking at exponentially growing in the next year, and they really wanted to understand from their users how they feel about the environment, how they feel about working with them or setting up in Joina City, and then what they do to elevate their experience for both the tenants and both the shoppers.
After an engaging session, attendees enjoyed a well-deserved break. They refreshed, networked, and even took a moment to capture photos with beautiful wildlife in the Manor Resort Garden.